So we have Fox now confirming that Steve Bannon, the Trump advisor, is out. He is done. There's been a lot of talk about it. It is finally happening, and stocks are jumping higher. Market watcher Gary B. Smith here on why investors like this news. Gary, the market's up about 100 points here. Why is that?
Well, I think that we're seeing, honestly, less volatility in the market, or less volatility in the White House, if you will. Now, I don't think any of us knows what the cause or what Bannon was doing, but I sense that the market, and I'm looking at volatility and, of course, the Dow and S&P, and I think they're saying, well, maybe we have some stability by removing a major thorn from the White House. I sure hope that's the case.
So, Gary B. Smith, how can it be less volatility in the White House when yet another person is leaving and that revolving door is continuing to spin?
Well, I guess it's like this. If you have a splinter in your finger and it's angering your finger and you remove it, some of the swelling's still there, but eventually the pain goes away. I think everyone's kind of feeling the pain. That's my view. I think they removed a major thorn. I think that's the market's view. They've removed a problem. I don't know if that's the case. That's how the market's perceived it. And look at the volatility. The VIX has almost dropped right off the the floor. It's going down. The market's up.
Gold is down, which is interesting, right? So do you think, as Charlie Gasparino just said, that this has to do with China, this has to do with our international trade policy, that with Bannon gone, now we're not economic nationalists anymore?
Oh, my gosh, no. I don't think they're I love Charlie. I don't think that's the issue at all. I think they were seeing that, you know, Trump could be a little unhinged, let's put it that way. And I think people were saying, why is he unhinged all the time? Could Bannon be behind it? Again, I don't know. I think that's the market's perception, that this was a major problem for Trump. Maybe now with Kelly running the ship and some of the other generals and some senior advisors having perhaps more sway over Trump, I think they're seeing it as a more stable, hopefully professional White House. If we see that, then the market should be on more solid ground. Maybe we can actually focus on getting some of this legislation through. That's, I think, the perception out there. That's why the market's up.
Wow, big turnaround today, and amazing to watch it happen on names in the White House. Gary B., thanks for that. Appreciate your time.
You bet.